Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss vicarious liability. Generally, a person is liable for his own wrongful acts and one does not incur any liability for the acts done by others. In certain cases, however, vicarious liability, that is the liability of one person for the act of another person, may arise. In order that the liability of a person for the act done by B can arise, it is necessary that there should be a certain kind of relationship between A and B, and the wrongful act should be in certain way connected with that relationship. The common example of such liability are the liability of principal for the tort of his agent, liability of the partner for of each other's tort, liability of the master for the tort of his servant. So vicarious liability deals with the cases where one person is liable for the acts of other. In the field of torts, it is considered to be an exception to the general rule that a person is liable for his own acts only. It is based on the principle of qui facet per se per alium, facet per se, which means he who does an act through another is deemed in law to do it himself. So, in case of a vicarious liability, both the person at whose behest the act is done as well as the person who does the act are liable. Thus, employers are vicariously liable for the torts of their employees that are committed during the course of employment. Reasons for vicarious liability. Several reasons have been advanced as a justification for the imposition of vicarious liability. The master has the deepest pockets, the wealth of a defendant, or the facts that he has access to resources via insurance, has in some cases had an unconscious influence on the development of legal principles. Vicarious liability encourages accident prevention by giving an employer a financial interest in encouraging his employees to take care of the safety of others. As the employer makes a profit from the activities of his employer, he should also bear any losses that losses activity causes. Constituents of vicarious liability. So the constituents of vicarious liability is there must be a certain relationship of a certain kind. A wrongful act must be related to the relationships in a certain way. The wrong has been done within the course of employment. We will move further in the next video. So take care. Bye guys.